Okay, so I fixed the mic stand, the adjustable mic stand. Now I need to add in the mic shock, which helps to keep the mic from vibration. So what I need to do is to screw that in at the head of the adjustable mic stand. So you need to screw it well so that it stands. It's able to withstand the weight of the BM800 condenser mic. So that is in place, and BM800 condenser mic comes in at this point. So adjust it very well, it can move around. So then the ATR cable with 3.5 jack that goes directly, one at the end of the mic and the other into my laptop, into the audio jack. Now I'm not using a phantom power. Most advert for the BM800 says it has to come with a phantom power, but I'm not using a phantom power this time. So let's do some test run, Audacity, just to be able to see how this goes. So in the next few minutes, you'll see my screen for the test run of the screen. Okay, so you see that in a few minutes. Okay, so you need to set up Audacity. You want to do the test run of the BM800 at this time. Okay, maybe I should need to put the pop filter. Okay, I'll do it without and the pop filter. Okay, so this is the recording without the windshield for the BM800. Hello, Segun Akiode. Hello, Segun Akiode. Okay, so I will do the test now with the windshield and I'll compare the sound. Okay, so this is the test with the windshield of the BM800. Hello, Segun Akiode. Hello, Segun Akiode. Hello, Segun Akiode. Hello, Segun Akiode. So let's test. Let me play the first guy. Recording without the windshield for the BM800. Hello, Segun Akiode. Hello, Segun Akiode. Okay, so I will do the test now with the windshield and I'll compare the sound. So I'll mute that and I'll play it now. Okay, so this is the test with the windshield of the BM800. Hello, Segun Akiode. Hello, Segun Akiode. Hello, Segun Akiode. Hello, Segun Akiode. Okay, that's all. And both sound were recorded without any editing. The next video would be trying to record a proper podcast and to add some editing to the BM800. Thank you. If you like this, kindly let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Thank you.